Hello, this is Jeff with HK Inspections, and today we're going to do a short video on private septic systems and just to kind of walk you through that process. Here we have a clean out next to the house. So this is where our water is coming out of the house. It's going to come right over here. It's going to go into this first chamber, and this is the settling chamber. So you have heavy solids that will sink, and then you have scum or lighter stuff that will float. And then the clear water in the middle of that two layers will go through a weir and come into this second chamber. The second chamber has air being injected in it, and that helps the microbes grow and break down the septic or the sewer. Then it's going to come through here. These are chlorine tablets, and as you can see the water going through down there, it'll pass through that chlorine and come over here into this third chamber, which is the pump chamber or the clear water chamber. And here floats will activate the pump, and also we have an alarm float here that we can pick up and see if that alarm will sound. So if the pump does not work, the alarm will come on and get somebody's attention, let them know that something needs to be done here because we're going to overrun the system. So as you can see down there at the bottom, let me get a light. So that's the top of the pump right there. You can see that. So then we have some wiring here. These wiring connections should be inside this box here and sealed off to keep them from rusting. And then you got your piping here. Pump will pick it up and it takes it out, and it either puts it into a underground drip system or into these above ground or pop-up sprayers. So this system has two, and they're both spraying, as you can see here. So you get a little bit of pre-treatment in the tanks themselves, and then you get your final treatment when the water is going down through the grass and through the soil. So that's how that private septic system works. This is an aerobic system. There are other types of systems like the traditional gravity fed, and those don't have near the amount of working parts, and they're usually older type systems. The only other thing we do need to check on this one would be the air pump, and it's running over here because we can see it in there. But we want to look in here too. We'll open this cover or move the cover to make sure we don't have a bunch of ants in there. And then we did open up the control box, and we also have a test button here for the alarm. So we know it's working here. We know it's working with the floats. All that looks good inside there. So we're going to say that this system is working properly. It does have quite a bit of scum floating, so we may recommend that be pumped out and cleaned. But all in all, it's a good working operating system. This is Jeff with HK Inspections. Hope this will help you out. If you need an inspection, give us a call, 903-553-9607. And we're located right here in Longview, Texas, and that's in East Texas. So give us a call. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.